I found I wanted to make this video just about these hose clamps you can make yourself, because there are a million and one uses for these, and I can't tell you how many times I've been working on something and I needed a hose clamp that was like extremely long and there was no such thing, or you couldn't find them at any hardware store. So I bought this on Amazon, and you're basically buying the clips for a hose clamp and a roll of the stainless steel band that makes up the hose clamps. And this is just a terrific set of pieces to make whatever you need them for. So the rolls I bought are 12 feet long, and I believe it came with 6 of these ends for it. So I've repaired multiple things. So many times, be it anything you're working on, you end up with rattling pieces or heat shields on exhausts from cars to snowmobiles to motorcycles, and you need a clamp just to hold the heat shield in place. These are fantastic for that. Like I say, million and one uses. Very easy to use. You basically just get the roll and you kind of straighten it out as you unroll it, just by flexing it the opposite way. So once you've got it set up and opened up, you basically cut it to length, take the hose clamp, the piece which is the end, and you insert it on the end with the screw bolt head, and it's got a little tab on the back. So you basically have to kind of bend it up to get it to go through the way you want, to get it to go all the way through, and you stick it in this end and you loop it around and out the other. You may need a pair of pliers just to pull it through because it is steel. And once you get it through, you bend over the end. Okay, so I've got it through there. So if you can see that, I've basically stuck the clamp on the band, and I basically leave a little bit there and I just bend it over per se, and you have yourself a hose clamp of whatever length you need up to the length of the roll. So it's a fantastic piece of hardware to fix anything you want. Then obviously you get your screwdriver and you tighten it up and you have yourself a hose clamp of whatever size you need. And I can't tell you how many uses I've had for these things. They're absolutely fantastic. Anyway, I wanted to throw that out there because very few times I find something that's as useful as this is, given you can make it whatever length you want. Anyway, if you find that useful, please like and subscribe.